So guys, while researching about AI, I have discovered this amazing and incredible AI tool, that's the human generator by generated photos. So this tool can simply transform your face, your body type and even your whole personality. So I'm going to show you how this works. So to use this AI tool, open your Google Chrome and type generated photos in the search bar. Now visit the main website that appears here. You will find various options like faces, face generator, human generator, etc. Now click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then select human generator as we have to generate the whole body type. In the blue box, choose create human. Now upload a picture of yourself that you want to transform. Here you will see more choices like age, gender, skin tone and body type. Here on the UI of this page, you can see the update human option. So click on the same. Now wait a few seconds to see the results based on your selections and the prompt that you have given. So guys, जैसा कि आपने देखा कि इस टूल ने सिंपली मेरी बॉडी को मेरे डिज़ायर्ड बॉडी टाइप से चेंज कर दिया है एंड आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि आप अपने बॉडी टाइप को अपने फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी में भी चेंज कर सकते हो. सो गो एंड यूज दिस टूल एंड डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ दिस टर्न्स आउट फॉर यू.